In the hush of dawn's first light, where the mist still guards the night, three shadows rise from ancient stone, never walking here alone. From hills where wildflowers grow, through silver streams that softly flow, red as flame and gold as sun, brown like earth when day's begun, bound by more than blood or name, bound by music, bound by flame. Hear the wind begin to call through the standing stone so tall, every heartbeat understood by the Emerald Sisterhood. We are the Emerald Sisterhood, born of earth and bloom and wood, harp and fiddle, flute and flame, three wild hearts, one sacred name. Through the storm and through the flood, we rise in light, we rise in blood, hand in hand where hope once stood. We are the Emerald Sisterhood. Auburn fire with fearless eyes, golden dawn where promise lies, chestnut strength both fierce and kind, music woven, soul entwined, petals fall like whiskered vows, spring awakens here and now. Feel the rhythm in the ground, ancient roots in every sound, every tear once misunderstood turns to strength in sisterhood. We are the Emerald Sisterhood, daughters of the ancient wood, harp that heals and strings that cry, flute that lifts the spirit high. Through the dark and through the mud, we bloom again as wild as blood, guardians of all that's good. We are the Emerald Sisterhood. If winter tries to steal the flame, if sorrow whispers doubt and shame, remember how the green returns after frost. The forest burns, not in ash but living flame.